Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Xbox Game Pass on your phone. First, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription to access cloud gaming. Next, download the official Xbox Game Pass app from your phone's App Store. Make sure your mobile device is running a compatible operating system, such as Android or iOS. Finally, connect to a strong internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi or a 5G cellular network, for the best experience. Many Xbox Game Pass games require a compatible Bluetooth controller for an optimal experience. Begin by turning on your Xbox wireless controller and pressing its pairing button until the Xbox logo flashes. Then, navigate to your phone's Bluetooth settings and select your controller from the list of available devices to establish a connection. While some titles support touch controls, a physical controller generally provides a more precise and enjoyable gaming session. With your subscription active and controller connected, it's time to launch a game. Open the Xbox Game Pass application on your phone. You can then browse the vast library of hundreds of cloud-enabled games. Once you've chosen a title, simply tap the play button. The game will begin streaming directly from the cloud, usually loading within a few moments, allowing you to jump right into the action. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, consider these tips. Always prioritize a 5G Wi-Fi connection for minimal latency and smoother gameplay. Keep your phone fully charged or plugged into a power source, as streaming can consume significant battery life. A phone clip that attaches your device to your controller can greatly improve comfort during extended sessions. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications to free up your phone's resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.